The Biopsychosocial-AIP model of EMDR makes sense of the relationship between information, energy, and work. We all have experiences that can bias us towards being more connected to ourselves and others, or more disconnected. Patterns of paying attention tip us toward connection or disconnection as memory and attention dynamically organize how we work to meet our goals in life. Biopsychosocial connectivity is a concept we use to assess where clients are starting from to determine how much work on self-connection and relationships needs to be done to support trauma processing.